All right, that was Jesse Tenor reporting for us. 7:47. We're bringing the very latest on the severe weather alert. A lot has changed since we were on the air at this time yesterday. The snowfall totals have gone up, and now we officially have a winter storm warning in effect.
Yeah, we also have a blizzard warning for a couple of other spots, so things are quickly ramping up.
Yeah.
Impact-wise, still relatively similar to what we were expecting yesterday as far as really bad travel, high accumulation, strong wind gusts, power outages, things like that. Here's a look at those warnings that we have going on. What was a winter storm watch, now a winter storm warning, goes all the way into Sunday. And then, like I said, we also have that blizzard warning out towards the Cape for the islands, and then it kind of stretches back up along the coast towards Boston. So we are expecting big impacts from this system. As far as snow totals are concerned, these numbers have gone up a lot since yesterday morning, anywhere from 18 to 24 inches across our region. We could be seeing some localized higher totals, particularly up in parts of Bristol County. You're going to be seeing closer to about 24, maybe even 30 inches of snow as we see some of those heavier bands set up across the area as we look forward to tomorrow. Aside from the actual snowfall, we are also seeing big concerns with the wind gusts. This has prompted, again, parts of that blizzard warning, but we're also going to be seeing impacts not just where that blizzard warning is. We're going to see whiteout conditions across the entire area at some point tomorrow because A, that snow is very light and powdery, but B, these wind gusts are going to be pretty strong, 40 to 45 miles per hour for most of Rhode Island, and then as you head further out towards the Cape, anywhere from 55 to 65 miles per hour, because we're going to be seeing, again, those winds really ramp up as that storm skirts right along the coast. Let's take a look at that timeline. So rest of the day today, cloudy, a couple of quick little showers, a little flurry here or there in the afternoon or evening, but the steady snow, that really holds off until closer to midnight after about 11 p.m. So you're waking up tomorrow morning, 6, 7 o'clock, already starting to see a few inches in a couple of spots. Throughout the day tomorrow, you're going to see multiple rounds of heavy snow, really very poor travel conditions, those really strong wind gusts across the area as well. By Saturday night, some of the activity starts to wind down. The snow rates will be tapering off. The wind speeds will also be tapering off as well. But that being said, by Sunday, still not ideal. We're still going to be very cold out there, and you're still going to be seeing, again, some of those roads not looking too great by Sunday. So again, what are those impacts? Well, heavy snow, of course, difficulty for travel, power outages, not only because of the snow, but because of those stronger wind gusts, and coastal flooding. We're going to be seeing 2 high tides on Saturday, so you could be dealing with some water erosion as well. A little bit of a mess in some of those coastal areas. Right now, though, not too bad. Temperatures in the 20s. A few spots were in the 30s earlier this morning, dropping down a bit more in those temperatures before we warm up later this afternoon. We saw 1 or 2 quick flurries this morning as well, but overall, most of the day today just dealing with that cloud coverage. So let's take a look at the wider picture. You can see a couple of rain showers down off the South Carolina and Georgia coast. That's associated with the low pressure that's bringing us our system. It's still sitting just off the Florida coast right now. Going to continue to get more organized throughout the day today and then gradually work its way right up the coast, tracking to the north, moving towards our area and bringing us that first round of snow closer to midnight tonight. Looking at that hour-by-hour forecast, by about 11 o'clock, we're starting to see some of that heavier snow move onshore. Continues through the early morning. Temperatures tomorrow also plummeting back down into the 20s and teens. Very cold out there, mixed in with those higher wind speeds, those feel-like temperatures. They're going to be down closer to 0, if not negative, throughout the day tomorrow. By about 10 o'clock, we finally start to see the actual snowfall tapering off, but still not ideal conditions. This morning, a couple of rays of sunshine out there, but mostly cloudy skies. Those temperatures getting back up into the 30s for this afternoon. So slightly warmer for today. Enjoy it while it lasts, though, because that big cool down is on the way. 7-day forecast, you can see by Sunday, we will be seeing some more sunshine out there, so the active weather is done and over with, but it does stay breezy and cold. Those temperatures starting in the single digits for Sunday morning, and then as we head into the afternoon, really only getting back up into the 20s. Next week, we'll be seeing some slightly warmer temperatures on the way. Could be back up into the 50s by the end of the week. But again, for tomorrow, make sure you're staying weather aware. We have that weather app. We also have our full forecast over at WPRI.com. Let's take a look